How to ensure bookings made on your website can be immediately seen in your Zway office system. This will take a minute or so, but once you have done it, you can ensure any bookings or appointments made by customers viewing your website will be saved into your company diary or calendar, and you can be alerted to take action immediately. First, click on your Administration tab on your cover sheet. Now, on the left-hand menu, select, under the Administration heading, Process and Collaboration. See under the heading External Web Forms, the Event from Web page. Click here. Now click Add New, and you'll see this simple form. Here you can choose the website or domain you want to work with and any subdomains you own. The assigned person allows you to select whose diary these new meeting requests, appointments, or bookings will go into. The segment length drop-down allows you to break your day into segments so that one meeting never spreads into another. Decide how long you want to leave between booking segments and choose. If somebody chooses a segment you have already filled, they will be offered the next available slot. Clever. Now you can add a success message. This is a few lines of text that will appear on the page as the meeting request is accepted. You can select boxes to remind you of meetings and alert you as and when each booking is made. For extra flexibility, you may want to collect some extra information from the person making the booking. You can do just that by adding these extra fields. Click on the Save button will now produce the perfect HTML code for you to add to your website. Go ahead and do that, and here is how it will look when finished. Why bother to pay for extra superior standalone apps like Calendly when Zway has all these things built in and integrated?